As I reflected on the past year, I realized something that stunned me. Where was my curiosity? But first, why should you care about being curious as a solopreneur? Well, what if you saw a 20% increase in leads and sales simply because you got curious? See, curiosity involves a genuine interest in discovering new information, asking questions, seeking knowledge. If you want to grow your business, here are the subjects I have found lucrative to remain curious about: problem solving, customer engagement, market research, decision making, marketing analytics, networking with others. Let's look at that first bullet point: problem solving. A curious mind seeks to understand the root causes of problems and explore innovative solutions. Here's one way curiosity contributes to your problem solving process. Let's say your Twitter or X account isn't getting you the engagement you thought it would. Instead of assuming you're no good at the platform, you get curious and analyze your X analytics to look at the interests, demographics, and behaviors of your followers. You also do a content audit, trend analysis, competitor analysis, and post timing audit. The result? You adjust for posting visual content, implementing more effective posting times, using trending hashtags, and finding ways to engage with followers in the DMs in a more personalized manner. Curiosity helped you investigate, experiment, find creative solutions, adapt, and improve. Without curiosity, you might get frustrated, give up on X, and start all over on a different social media platform, and thus lengthening the time to see an increase in leads and sales. In my opinion, curiosity is a big part of staying relevant as a sovereign individual running a me business brand online. Hey, my friend, are you enjoying this content? If you are genuinely enjoying it, would you do me a big favor and just demolish the like button? Let others know out there that you like this. It'll make YouTube put it out there to other people like you that would also enjoy this content. It would mean a lot to me. It would mean a lot to the other people that do get a chance to see this content. Again, demolish the like button. And if you really want to go further, I would be honored if you would also subscribe to the channel so I can keep in contact with you and you'll always know when I put out more content like this. And that brings me back to what I said at the top. I was shocked recently when I realized how I'd become less curious as I grew older. After reflection, I realized that the curiosity driving my business results over the years waned as I met many of my goals. It reminded me of our favorite music artists who put out less thrilling music sometimes as they meet success. Needless to say, I dug deep and challenged myself to think more like my 25-year-old self. As I did, it led me to brainstorm season number 1 of my new podcast, and I got excited about teaching you 2 main skills over the next few weeks and months: digital marketing skills number 1, and number 2, soft skills required to make the marketing engine run. If you're building an affiliate marketing or a network marketing or a coaching business, then you should continuously improve both of those skill sets. In my last memo, I discussed your me business brand. And if you didn't see that, I'll put a link to that somewhere in the description. If you're anything like me, and most people, you'd rather follow an individual, someone to connect with. Gone are the days of Coke, Pepsi, Nike, Apple, IBM, or whatever huge corporation comes to mind dominating the airwaves. Back when I was a kid in the 80s, we had TV. We were bombarded by commercials brought to us by those huge types of brands. I honestly can't remember the last commercial I sat through. Netflix, Amazon, YouTube, podcasts, and all the other modern ways of consuming content have leveled the playing field. You and I can compete based on our individual talents and strengths. We can decide to teach anything we think will help others who find us and follow us. It's the age of the you business, the me business brand, whatever you want to call it. Here's another example of how curiosity can help you become a better solopreneur. This time, we'll look at your decision making. Let's say you're an affiliate marketer in the health and wellness niche. You're noticing your conversion rates trending downward. You double down on your curiosity and use it to make a few solid decisions. After revisiting your customer avatar profile, new industry trends, and exploring new sub-niches within the health and wellness industry, you get curious about whether the pain points and needs of your best fit customers may have changed. Your curiosity about this leads you to conduct a survey to your email list. The survey reveals unexpected insights into how the needs of prospects have changed. They're craving more hand-holding. They prefer to buy higher ticket coaching as opposed to simply buying products to use. Based on that, you start researching who's selling coaching services in your niche and which ones have an affiliate program set up. You settle on one, start promoting it on your blog and social media and to your email subscribers, and start earning a $1,000 commission on each new sale instead of the $50 you earn on your main lower ticket offer. I know this is possible because I made a similar pivot at one point in my affiliate marketing efforts. Do you see how remaining curious helps you overcome initial frustration and moves you into a positive problem and decision making mode? Everything I've discussed with you so far reminds me of the Sun Tzu quote in The Art of War. Victorious warriors win first and then go to war, while defeated warriors go to war first and then seek to win. I'm a big proponent of taking quick and swift action. However, never underestimate the power of solid preparation. Just like it says in Ezra chapter 8, verses 21, 22, and 23, prepare your mind and spirit just as much as you prepare by learning hard marketing skills like sales, copywriting, email marketing, and content creation. As my parting word to you, I know we all, as solopreneurs, want to gain better habits. We want to learn how to become better leaders and business people. It's my belief that curiosity is the characteristic we can hold on to that drives us to improve our overall habits and increase our skills inside the marketing world that drives our sales results. My prayer today is that my ideas here help you in a meaningful way. And if you'd like to explore other ways I can help you, take a look at this video's description for the attraction marketing formula if you're a network marketer. If you're working on an affiliate marketing business, take a look at our 15-day challenge. And if you're either of those, along with being a high-ticket course creator or coach, look at my done-for-you content services as they will speed up your results with either my business audit and or content roadmap. See you in my next memo with more exploration into the skills that will drive more leads and sales for your business. Hey, my friend, are you enjoying this content? If you are genuinely enjoying it, would you do me a big favor and just demolish the like button? Let others know out there that you like this. It'll make YouTube put it out there to other people like you that would also enjoy this content. It would mean a lot to me. It would mean a lot to the other people that do get a chance to see this content. Again, demolish the like button. And if you really want to go further, I would be honored if you would also subscribe to the channel so I can keep in contact with you and you'll always know when I put out more content like this.